Welcome to Impact Radio Accessories Learning Resources playlist. Today we will be covering how to change a hidden filter. The first step to change a hidden earpiece filter is removing the micro earbud. Grab your replacement filters, located in the carrying case the HIDIN comes with. Open the case with the 8 filters and select the first stick. Flip the stick so that the black or empty side is facing the earpiece. Insert the blank side into the earpiece to pull out the old filter. If done successfully, the blank side should now have a white tip. Flip the stick so the new filter is facing the earpiece and slide the stick into the earpiece to place the new filter. Place the earbud back on and dispose of the old filter and stick to avoid any confusion for your next replacement. We now carry replacement HIDIN earbuds. Contact our expert sales team or visit our website to purchase. Visit our How To playlist for more tutorials. Thank you.